Hello everyone, it's Friday and today I have chosen a really fun little book for story time, and this book is called Each Peach, Pear, Plum. And this is a great book because it's an I Spy book. So there's lots of rhymes and there's lots of riddles, and on each page you have to find somebody who's hiding. So we'll give it a go and we'll see how we get on. But before we do that, we'll have a look at the authors of the book. Does everyone remember what the author of the book is? Yeah, it's the person who writes the books. So the authors of this book, there's two authors. They are Janet and Alan Alberg. So let's get started and see how we get on with this book. So this part says, in this book, with your little eye, take a look and play I Spy. Each peach, pear, plum, I spy Tom Thumb. Can you see Tom Thumb? Come up here. He's reading a book in the tree. Tom Thumb in the cupboard, I spy Mother Hubbard. Here's Mother Hubbard in the corner, and here's Tom Thumb in the press. Mother Hubbard down the cellar, I spy Cinderella. Can you see Cinderella in this picture? Yep, there's her little hand reaching up, and she has a little duster in her hand doing some dusting. Cinderella on the stairs, I spy the three bears. And here you can see the three bears looking in the window at Cinderella going up the stairs. Three bears out hunting, I spy Baby Bunting. So we can see the three bears. Can you see Baby Bunting? Yeah, there's Baby Bunting up in a little crib in the back. Baby Bunting fast asleep, I spy Bo Peep. And if you look really carefully, you can see Bo Peep up in the cornfield. Bo Peep up the hill, I spy Jack and Jill. Where could Jack and Jill be? That's right. They're down here. You can see their legs sticking up in the air. They're rolling down the hill, I think. Jack and Jill in the ditch, I spy the Wicked Witch. Can you see the Wicked Witch, boys and girls? Yep, there she is. She's in the ditch with Jack and Jill. Wicked Witch over the wood, I spy Robin Hood. Where could Robin Hood be? Yep, there he is. And he's shooting the bows and arrows up at the Wicked Witch. Robin Hood in his den, I spy the bears again. Can you see any of the bears? The three little bears. This is a tricky one. In here behind the bushes, you can see there. 1, 2, 3. 3 bears still hunting. They spy Baby Bunting. Can you see Baby Bunting? Yeah, there's Baby Bunting, and the 3 bears are trying to help her out of the river. baby bunting safe and dry. I spy plum pie. Sounds delicious. Can you see the plum pie? There it is on the table in there. I think the bears are going to have something delicious to eat. Plum pie in the sun. I spy. What can you see? There's the plum pie. Can you see anything else in that photo? Everyone! They're all going to have a lovely picnic to eat that delicious plum pie. Well, I hope you enjoyed that book, boys and girls. That was one of my favorite books when I was in school like you. And I would read it over and over again because I just loved finding all the different people in that book and all the characters. Hope you have a great weekend, and I look forward to more stories and more learning next week. Bye bye.